What's up, Tidy Islanders? Jim and Jeannine here, live and slightly sweaty for Miami Beach. Today, we're not just reviewing a restaurant, folks, we're reviewing an experience. Buckle up, because we're diving headfirst into the glamorous, Michelin-starred world of the Surf Club restaurant. This is by legendary chef Thomas Keller. This place totally screams elegance. You're looking at the Surf Club. This is where the who's who and celebrities mingle. The Surf Club itself is undeniably stunning. The lobby is pure Miami elegance. Think Mediterranean vibes meets modern luxury. The main dining room is breathtaking. High ceilings, gorgeous woodwork, and French doors that open up to stunning ocean views.
The place called the Canyon Tree.
Okay.
Could this be it? Or is this different? Or is this the bar?
Speaking of outfit, the other diners here look like they stepped out of a fashion magazine. Oligarch, models, the whole shebang. But hey, that's half the fun.
You like how it looks? I like the butter. So, Jeannine, what do we have here?
It's a little stool for your nose.
Very classy.
We also have to give a special shout out to the Caesar salad. Now, I know Caesar salad sounds basic, but trust me, this ain't your average grocery store romaine. The chef prepares it tableside, and it's basically a culinary performance art piece.
Oh, so you just rubbed it in the bowl?
Yeah, I just rubbed it to get the
I've heard about this, how they do it. I've actually never seen them do it. I've never...
Now we're going to add our topping on. It consists of roasted garlic paste, Dijon mustard, and some anchovy paste.
Okay. So it has anchovy paste, like a paste.
But it has chopped anchovies as well.
Right.
What I do. Give it a little mix, and then slowly going to add our olive oil, lemon juice, and Worcestershire. Slowly to emulsify this. Right now, it's like this.
We shouldn't be telling him what's in it. If there's something he doesn't like, he may never. And Caesar's.
Oh, I bet this is good though.
Right, but if there's something he doesn't.
Well, for $5, I want to know everything that's happening.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you guys slowly add it in. So it's like emulsified dressing out of vinaigrette where it's
Right.
broken.
He does it very gracefully.
I know, and you have to do it just right.
Kind of like an artist.
There's your avocado roux.
Hot avocado vegetable louis with Russian dressing. Please enjoy.
Nice creamy dressing.
Oh, that looks good.
I taught him how to make this.
Oh, you taught him how to do it?
That's a half cheese. Parmesan cheese.
Oh, look how he's grating it.
Yes. Fresh gravy.
You don't see that very often. Oh, in Italy.
Black pepper.
Pasta. No, Camille won't do it the other way. Is this your most famous dish? Your most famous salad? The most requested thing?
Yes.
Caesar salad.
I mean, it's so whole presentation.
Right. That's why we chose it as one of our...
Well, I'm glad, and you're going to enjoy it. You have to try a little bite of it.
Oh, I definitely will. Because we figured we'd get two different things.
A little more parm on top.
Oh, Jim, this is like...
And black pepper too.
I think this is going to be the best Caesar salad you've ever had.
I know it.
I think so. And
Is it- Okay, I don't know why it's so dark, but
enjoy it.
thank you.
You're very welcome.
So now we're doing the taste test. This is oh, it's the second one. This is fabulous. Best I've ever had.
Basil.
Oh, yes, that's even better. How did you do that?
So we have our basil leaves. We poach them. We blanched them first.
Oh, and then, oh, okay. So would you freeze them?
Yeah, we roll it and we freeze it like a cigar.
Oh. That is clever.
Pecorino cheese.
A little bit cheese.
Yep.
I never knew to do that.
Thank you.
I just chop, you know.
How's it taste?
It's very good.
As good as the food was at the previous
That's
place,
very good.
the food here is absolutely amazing. Jeannine, how did you like the food here tonight?
It's delicious.
Anything strike you, how it was cooked, or the presentation, or the service, or ambiance?
That avocado salad was delicious because it was interesting. I'd never seen anything like it. And your Caesar salad was really good. And the eggplant was good. It wasn't breaded, it was just baked. It was,
So would you come here again?
yes, I definitely would come here.
Let's talk service. We were a little worried after the manager initially couldn't find our reservation. But let me tell you, these folks are pros. Impeccable service, friendly smiles, and the best part, they even let us keep these incredible artistic menus as souvenirs. Score 1 for Tidy Island, folks. We gotta hand it to Chef Keller. This guy knows how to create an experience. The bottom line, the Surf Club is a special place. It's a place to see and be seen, to indulge in culinary artistry, and to soak up the Miami Beach atmosphere. Would we recommend it? Absolutely, but maybe with a hefty dose of self-deprecating humor and a well-worn credit card. So there's valet parking. We're getting ready to pick up our car. The evening was very pleasurable. The food was delicious. The ambiance. There was a little mess up with a reservation, but I may have been to blame. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our Tidy Island adventures. And let us know in the comments below what outrageous restaurant experience should we tackle next.